Hello guys, welcome back to this Black and Orange TV. Andito po tayo ngayon guys sa isang dog park dito sa Millwoods, Jackieparkeroff-Dog Park. So, kung bago po kayo sa aming channel guys, please do subscribe to this Black and Orange TV. Like, share, and comment. And don't forget guys to click the notification bell para lagi po tayong updated sa ating mga susunod na mga videos. Alright guys, tara! There. There's bigger dog. Chloe is so excited. Her first time to walk around this spacious area. But we tried to let her stay away with the other dogs because alam nyo na, my dog is a girl. Female dog, baka matsambahan biglang maano. The Lola is coming. Say hi Lola. Look at your apo. Your apo. Doggy apo, yeah.
Oh, so cute.
Cutie dog, cutie puppy. Say hi. Say hi, puppy. Say hi, puppy. You'll be starring in my YouTube channel. Puppy! Yeah, enjoy YouTube. Bata pa na siya. Bata pa na. So, the Lola will have to sit here because a little walk kapoy na daw. Oh, diba? Look at the siblings. Look at the siblings, oh. Okay, look at here. Chloe. Man. Montesarado pag may lumapit na ibang aso.
Yeah, this is for like safekeeping.
Kanyang you don't want her to be mate. Walang mating mo na wala o tinang mong dalawa. Diyan ka lang. The mother of Chloe. Chloe's day today with the siblings. Oh, Chloe.
You want her to be loose?
Exactly why?
Off-leash?
Chloe.
Yeah, should I try off-leash? The pink one?
Chloe. Oh, drink water.
She's fine, she's fine.
Mo na nga breeding sila nun. Mo na nga breeding.
Chloe just
Scared? Uy, si ano? Akala ko si ano.
Sige, let's start. It's so fast.
Dad,
Oy, ang
look.
puti guwapa. Ang puti guwapa.
Oh my god.
Hi.
What a big one.
Don't touch her, don't touch her.
Don't touch her. She's so big. What's your name?
What is this? What dog is this?
Oh, that's why. She's big.
Guwapo.
It's like someone you would see in the woods.
Babies.
Okay, it already.
Anak niya.
Three babies there.
Anak
Is
niya
that
na.
all yours? Three? Oh, okay. So big, eh? Oh, okay.
Oh, you're fine. She's hiding, guys. She's hiding when she
It
saw
seems like
those.
she's fine. Like she's not gonna get.
Ano na siya? Medyo ano na siya, maka-adjust.
At least you're not like trying to.
So you guys are also thirsty? With this?
Yeah, let's go. I think it's
They're the same. What's her name? What's her name? Zoe. Mine is Chloe. Zoe. That was supposed to be her first name, Zoe. Yeah, before we changed it to Chloe.
Hey, do you remember that one time where Johnny holds up?
Namusid Johnny. Oh, there's another dog coming. Look at her. Look at her. Coming. Coming. Clicky. Hello, friend. Hello, friend. You're afraid, Chloe.
Mama, what are you doing?
Stuck on Orange TV.
I think that's all.
Yeah, we really need like the kids, mom, that you can store treats and like water in there. You know, it's like a small.
Ito na lang, itapon ko na lang ito.
Now, don't do it here.
Ha? Ano ba yun? Saan? Can you walk in there?
Yeah.
We're gonna walk in there?
No, Chloe. Chloe might get like bit by other bugs.
Mom, do you wanna walk in there? Kasi yan ang tubig na ako na yung labay ng bag kita yung tukol. Wala ko na sila.
She's fine now. She's fine. She's fine. She's fine.
I can walk. I can walk up.
Oh, she's so thirsty. She's so thirsty. So yun na nga guys, we're having fun here with Chloe, there the grandma, and there the mom and the ate. So we're going home now guys. Thank you so much guys for joining us here in Millwoods Dog Park. And Chloe had fun. So yun na nga guys, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please do subscribe to Jackieparkeroff-Leash TV. Like, share, and comment. And don't forget to click the notification bell para lagi po tayong updated sa ating mga susunod na videos guys. Alright, thank you so much. Bye! Thank you for watching. See you next time.